A password can help protect your Word document from unauthorized access. In this video, you will learn how to password protect a Word document so only people with the correct password can open it. So to do that, open your Word document you need to protect. To add a password on document, click on File, then select Info from the menu. From there, click on Protect Document and then choose Encrypt with Password. Then enter password you want to use. Make sure it's a strong password and please don't forget it, because if you lose it, there's no getting it back. Re-enter the same password to confirm it, then click OK. Password has now been added to your document, so save the document. When you close the document and try to open it again, it's going to ask you for that password. If you enter the wrong password, document won't open. So anyone who enters wrong password will not be able to access that document. But if you enter the correct password, you will be able to access the document normally. So that's exactly how you can password protect a Word document. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.